Understanding a company's calendar is important. While the EMS can sync factory calendars, there are often regional differences that can throw off a calculation. Since most companies' internal targets are in business days, a small oversight can have a huge effect when counting a week as 7 days versus 5 business days, or failing to account for a holiday altogether. For example, in the United States, some holidays take place on the same day every year. Think Christmas or the 4th of July. Others, like Memorial Day or Thanksgiving, change each year. I've run into this problem on multiple large construction projects and solved it by building a rolling calendar with 365 days, matching it with the company's holiday calendar, and assigning a workday flag to each. In doing so, I'm able to isolate the workdays and assign a row number to each. Use these row numbers to set your date targets, rather than the dates themselves. Bottom line, start with just the weekdays. Work with your client to identify the company holidays, then build a rolling calendar in Vertica. When you mind the bottlenecks and opportunities, you'll make your clients successful and you'll stop stressing over the weekends and holidays.